Well, it is the festive season and there's nothing nicer this time of year than cookies, especially if they have M&Ms in them. The great thing is it really doesn't have to be Christmas. You can make these up any time of the year. They're a soft cookie, semi-sweet, really easy to make, and absolutely delicious. So let's make some up. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up some M&Ms and a good sharp knife, and we're just going to kind of cut these up as best we can, because they are going to go inside the cookie. After that, grab up a stick of soft butter and put it into a bowl. Follow that with a cup of granulated sugar. I guess you could use brown sugar too. Then grab up the old electric mixer, which sounds a bit like an electric chainsaw. And we're going to beat this up until it's well combined and kind of granular-like. Incidentally, you can do this by hand as well. It's just a little more work. Okie dokie, we are looking pretty good here, so we're going to throw in a couple of eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I mean, it is baking. Come on, you got to have vanilla extract. And if you don't, you can leave it out. That's okay. Once again, grab up the old electric mixer and we're going to mix this up until it is well combined. It's going to become a little bit smooth and creamy now. A-mixing we will go. Hi-ho the cookie-o, a-mixing we will go. Just a little song to keep me busy there. Now look at this, my friends. We are looking mighty fine. Alrighty then, now it's time for the dry ingredients. So we're going to sift in about a cup and a half, well not about, a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, and we sift this to avoid those nasty clumps. To this we'll add half a teaspoon of baking soda just for that rise. Mix with about a quarter teaspoon of salt just to bring out those flavors. Now give it the old shake and sift type of thing. Grab up the old spatula and fold everything together until it is nicely combined. Now you might be asking, can I not use the mixer? And I suppose you could. It just kind of overworks the flour just a little bit too much. And now we are looking good. This is about the kind of texture we want, just like this. Now you recall those M&Ms we chopped up at the beginning of the video, so we are going to go ahead and throw those in. And I know we've got some holes, halves, bits, whatever it might be. Everything works. By the way, we've got about half a cup of M&Ms there, so I'm just going to grab up the spatula once again and fold everything together. Now, isn't this looking festive and colorful? At least in my opinion, anyway. I mean, just look at this. You can't beat it with an M&M stick. Okay, a little trick here. I'm going to set this aside in the fridge for about 15 minutes to chill. Okie dokie, we've chilled for a bit, so I'm going to grab up my handy-dandy ice cream scoop and scoop up about 2 tablespoons of that mixture. Slip it into the palm of my hand, and we're just going to kind of roll this into a ball. And slip this onto a baking tray lined with a mat. Of course, you can use parchment paper too. Once again, aren't these looking good? Wowzers. So we are going to go ahead and slip these into a 325-degree preheated oven for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, they are looking incredible and they are done. So I'm just going to go ahead and set these onto a wire rack to let them cool completely. Okay, let's have a look at these. And you know what? I am tempted, ever so tempted, to kind of break one open. Let's go ahead and do that and see what we got. Oh, just look at that. They break open. They're soft. I bet you they're chewy. Oh, ever so good. I bet you any money. I mean, in my humble opinion, I don't think cookies get any better than this. And you bite into these, they are ever so good. You get that taste of the M&M in there, that chocolatey effect. They're soft, they're moist, they're absolutely incredible. You are going to love these. Go ahead and make them up, and if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.